Today I will show you how to get any Samsung Galaxy unlocked. This will work for any version, including the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series, the Galaxy Z Flip series, A series, M series, or any Samsung Galaxy Note or S series. But before we begin, I have to mention a small disclaimer. We will not use any type of hacking or illegal bypassing tool to unlock this phone. So the first step is to get your phone's IMEI number. This is a unique number, and you can get it by dialing *#06#. As you will see, the 15-digit IMEI number will show up in your screen. This is very important. You can also find this number behind the box or in the settings of your device. Now we're gonna switch cameras and we're gonna go to the computer. In this website, we will request the unlock to unlock this phone using the IMEI number. So we need to start by filling in the form, brand of your phone, and you will have to insert your 15-digit IMEI number. That's the number we got a few seconds ago. Lastly, you're gonna insert your email. That's where you wanna receive your unlock code. So make sure you write it down correctly. Very important as well. Here you will have to wait a few days to get your phone unlocked. So once you have received your unlock code in your email, it will look something like this. Now we just need to activate the unlock. So for that, I'm gonna grab my device and we're gonna power it off. Once your device is fully off, we're gonna insert a non-supported SIM card. So I'm gonna go ahead, insert it, and then we're gonna power it on. In most cases, you will be immediately required to enter the unlock code. So just simply go ahead, insert it, make sure it is correct, and then we're gonna hit unlock. Boom. And the phone should accept the code and your phone should be unlocked.